Are you looking to create product awareness, introduce innovation to the market, target more specific customer groups, or improve brand recognition? Welcome to the Build Chain. Welcome to the Build Chain Manufacturer demonstration video. After logging in, you will enter the home page. Here, you can overview all the tabs and pages available, easily navigating to all areas of your dashboard from this page. Let's look at the virtual exhibition page. It is designed as a space for manufacturers to showcase new products, promotions, and training videos to our onboarded contractors and suppliers. It provides a simple and direct route to market whereby you can connect and engage with your intended audience through bespoke and targeted exhibitions. To make a virtual exhibition, press New Item. Enter a name for your exhibition. Put in a start and an end date for how long you would like your exhibition to be active for. Upload a banner image by simply clicking on the clip icon. You can select the user demographic in which you would like to target with your exhibition, ensuring your content is seen by the right people. To add videos, press Add Video and then paste the YouTube embed code into the video link. You can add multiple videos to the same exhibition. Once you have entered all the exhibition details, press Save. This will finalize setting up your virtual expo, so that your expo is ready to go live for your target audience to access. You can view it by clicking into View and you will be able to see all your videos. The virtual expo space can be used to upload training videos and resources to the virtual expo space. This can offer a streamlined solution to your technical support. Any interested parties, either that be suppliers or contractors, can express their interest by sharing their contact information with you. You can now liaise directly through the live chat to gain instant customer interaction and customer feedback. To begin a live chat, go to Virtual Exhibition homepage and click on Shared Contacts under the exhibition name and then press the live chat symbol next to a shared contact. You also have the option to edit any details of the exhibition, or if you choose to, you can delete it. Thank you for watching and listening to our demonstration video. If you have any questions, please ask our representative.